Don't mind the mess. We're all friends here. Let me fix my collar. That's annoying. Yes. We're in the Christmas pajamas. I'm getting excited. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm on the phone cam because sometimes it's just easier. It's gonna die, but it's just so much easier. Good morning, happy Friday. It's Friday. Sky looks like shit. But like it's just a little overcasty. I'm not sure if it's going to piss off rain. Nasty windows. Literally every week since I've been at work, even if I don't go to the cheeky beach, probably gonna go to the cheeky shops. Before I keep going, I need to make my coffee. All the coffee she can get today. Guys, we're going to the fucking beach! I am so excited. You have no idea. I'm actually so excited. Oh, and the sun's coming out, boys. Beach. My girl's coming with a coffee. I need to put some pants on. Linen pants it is. Love that for me. So this is the fit. This is the fit. I tried to find some denim shorts. You know the denim shorts I always wear? Yeah. Clearly could not find them. But yeah. Get excited. Good morning. Hello. Happy. It's actually Friday today. Let's try and move you so I don't get super exposed. But hello, everybody. Are we excited for the weekend? Hey Google, what's the date today?
It's Friday, the 28th of October 2022.
I think I'm gonna start Vlogmas. Maybe we'll put the tree up next week. Yesterday was really fun. I hope you guys kind of liked that. I hope you guys kind of liked yesterday's video. I went to the beach, just chilled. I made a really mellow day. Kind of really needed that day too. I do have to go to work today. But that's a little bit later. But I think I might edit vlog a little bit. So you can make the bet with me. Clearly didn't win the lotto, so. Vlogmas is coming and I need to be prepared for that. Okay. All right. And I don't know where to put the tree because last time I had it in the corner. We kind of have like an indoor balcony. So last year I put the tree out there because there's not really much room in my house, like in the house, to put a tree. So that's kind of a vibe. But I think I'm gonna put it on the other corner. I kind of want to put it over there because last time it was over there. but I want to be able to sit here and see the pretty tree. So we can put that little lights up. But I think also, I'm going to go to probably Target next week. So that'll be cute. Part of the vlog, we'll go to Target. We'll go to Target and we'll get some baubles. Okay, question of the week / day. Do I keep this intro or do I make a Vlogmas intro? Through October, you can definitely go watch all the weekly vlogs, all the Vlogmases. Now you have the full 4 weeks of Vlogmas for 2021. Anyway, they'll be linked. I'm gonna try and edit this weekly vlog before I have to go to work.